has your manufacturing platforms, it has your direct customers as well with regards to the packaging that they use. So we feel that the combination of those two things together would benefit us as a company to also gain ideas of what other people are out there looking for in the marketplace. You can get very comfortable in your zone of what you produce and sometimes not realise there's other options out there that customers will also be looking for. So it's a great interaction between everything. This show's seen quite a few people inquiring about the film options that we have. Pre-printed pouches, people wanting to move away from multiple layers of packaging into one solution. So where they may have a pouch inside of a box, to eliminate one of those items helps to reduce their waste stream. You have the whole combination of manufacturing machinery, filling machinery and food customers themselves, which actually brings the whole process together in one tight circle.